Service 1. Your technology department. Here at Flying Donkey, the Your Technology Department service we offer is essentially where Flying Donkey is your sole technology department. Generally, this works for a range of clients, and we see it work best for someone who is a funded startup and looking to get their product going, SaaS companies or other IT companies who are unhappy with their in-house development or their agency they're currently working with, or alternatively, larger enterprise clients who are looking to replace their in-house department because they're not seeing the results that they expect to see. Being your technology department, we take care of all your software and deployment needs. Essentially, this boils down to us putting together a team of product owners, BAs, developers, testers, engineers and architects, as well as help desk support technicians to be able to support you and your business to building out your product and delivering what you need for your clients. Generally do this in 3 ways around accelerating roadmaps and functionality, and that is delivering features and functionality into your product as you need them and as your clients request them. The 2 other key things we do is make sure that we utilize the cloud to its fullest extent, whether that be on Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud. And finally, we make sure that all your products are satisfied to whatever standard of security you need to get to, whether that's ISO 27001, SOC 2, or some other security standard. Being a technology department allows you to get out there in your business and concentrate on other things, such as selling, branding, and marketing your business to get clients on board. We'll take care of all the technology areas and make sure you've got a world-class product that's fit for your clients. I'm happy to take calls with any client and happy to sign an NDA to discuss the problems you've got, and feel free to book a call in the meeting below.